It's day 5 and today me and Caius are doing our first day of work in Texas. We're checking out of our Austin Airbnb and then after work we're gonna head over to Houston. Really excited. It's also our 1-year anniversary, so we're probably gonna get some dinner and just enjoy the city. So on the way to Houston, we were told that we should stop by Buc-ee's, which is this huge convenience store with lots of different food options. We went for this beef jerky, which we heard was really good. We also got more Celsius energy drinks and decided to try this brisket sandwich.
I don't know what to expect. Not bad.
Day 6. We're going for lunch at Roostar. We're just on our lunch break and then we're gonna go shopping later. We'll also explore a little bit more of downtown after work. Something I learned before coming to Houston is that they're really well known for their Vietnamese food. So me and Caius made a list of all the best banh mi restaurants and pho places that we wanted to try while we were here. It's like a bubble tea matcha. This is probably one of the best banh mi's I've ever had. It was 10 out of 10 and I definitely recommend.
Really good, very different, and a lot of different flavors. Really good.
Day 7. We're going to Burger Chan, which has 4.9 reviews on Google, which is really high. And then we're also gonna go to the mall, the Galleria, which is a really big mall they have here, and do some work before we... Okay, the video cut off, but we're gonna check out the mall, and there's also this water wall that we want to go see. We've been drinking these Celsius energy drinks that they only have in the States. This one's non-carbonated. I don't know how I feel about that.
It's probably because it's a tea. They can't carbonate tea or something.
It is good.
It is good.
But it is really sweet.
It's too sweet.
I feel like it should be carbonated. Right when you walk in, you'll see clipboards where you can choose your sauces, your toppings, and anything else you want to order.
Alright, let's see.
I got the 2-ounce patty and it's actually pretty big. A lot of cheese. And the brioche bun looks really, really good.
I love the bun.
I would definitely recommend trying Burger Chan. I think what's really great about it is that you can customize your burger, so you can choose from a lot of different toppings, the type of bread, the size of the patty, and when you bite into it, it just has so much flavor. And if you add cheese as well, it's like melted, really, really good. And so honestly, this could be a 10 out of 10 burger. These hoodies are $2.40.
Yeah.
It's too much.
Can't find any.
I don't even like the design. What do you think?
I like it, to be honest. I just don't think it's worth it.
Yeah. But it's very thick. It's good quality.
What do you think?
I like those.
Yeah. You'd wear them?
We kept seeing Pho 54 everywhere on YouTube, so we were really excited to try it. It was in this really big plaza with a lot of other good-looking restaurants. Today we're going to Post, which is like a cafeteria with a lot of different food options, and then we're gonna go to some vintage shops. Tacos.
This is sauce.
Coconut curry.
Coconut curry.
If you've seen my first road trip vlog, you'll know that me and Caius had the best barbecue in Austin. So of course we had to try it in Houston to compare, and we both agreed that we still really like Terry Black's the best. So if you haven't seen that vlog, you can check it out here. I'll link it down below as well, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future vlogs. What did you just say?
I said the journey begins.